Okay, Avenida Commercial de Macau. So I don't know. It has this kind of interesting space right here, right? To the left is the AIA building, and if you go all the way up to the top, you can look way up there, and that's actually a bar that'll overlook the whole city. And then around this is the Imperial Hotel. So at this particular space, they look just like normal buildings, but actually this one is a very popular place to bring people. It's called the AIA building. And then this one is a Grand Emperor Hotel, and this one is a underground that goes underneath the city to get on the other side of something else. Well, it goes in the parking garage actually. Then you have this big Grand Canal here. This boat is over there. Ton of people in line for the buses, I guess. And then you have some construction. Let's see what that construction looks like. It's been like that forever. So, okay. Grand Lisboa. And I always like these apartments that are right there too. Look at this line for this. I don't know what this line is for. I think they're all going to the border. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I think they're all going to the border. Let's just see if we can take a look and see. So I think they're all going to the border, but let's take a look here. It doesn't say. I think way up there it would say. Actually, there's even like a little thing for luggage. So I think that they're all in line to go back to the border. That's a long line. So I don't know how long they have to wait for a bus. We got lots of people waiting here too. Lots of tall buildings. I'm just gonna walk. And you have Grand Emperor. Let's see what's over here again. This guy's getting a little nap in right there. Okay, so we basically walked from that Commercial Street, and then we're gonna walk a little bit further, and this is kind of a really not many locals come here. A long time ago, this Grand Emperor Hotel used to have a place, I can't remember the name of it, but all the old expats, they know it. This place where you could it's the only place you could get foreign goods, and it was in this place. I want to catch this green light over here. Am I going to catch it? I think so. I'm going to catch all the green lights. So this is basically kind of a quiet stretch. Look at this. The thing is down. I don't even know where that one came from. Oh, it comes from this one. That one's missing. Usually they look like this. Now you have this idle one. And this right here, you have all this bamboo here. When they usually do construction with this bamboo stuff. More construction here, I guess. We're gonna go into this side a little bit. this is. You're doing like some kind of breakdancing, I guess. Okay, I might stop right here and film another whole thing here in a minute. It's pretty cool. Chiquinha, chiquinha.